everyone, Flame Diamonds here. Today we are playing Cookie Clicker. And apparently my name is Magic Burglar. Magic. So you click cookie, 1 cookie, 2 cookies. I want 30 cookies. Because that is my lucky, no, 33. Yeah, that's my lucky number. Ooh, okay, so basically you click and you can buy stuff from the right. There's a store. Buy cursor. Buy another cursor. And now I get 0.2 cookies per second. I have some chocolate here that I'm going to make chocolate cookies with. So let's do some major clicking. Wow. Try and get 100 cookies. At 60. I'll let it do it for me from now on. 99. 100! Now let's go on a shopping spree. Dun. Buy more. Whoa, times 10. It says 705. What? Oh. What? Yeah, I only want to buy 1. Gotta get it. Let's keep on going until we get a cookie per second. And 46. Why my fingers are getting sore? 46. I need 53. Then we can just watch it go. Okay, we need 53. It's so close. One cookie per second! Yes! We finally did it! Finally! We get upgrades. 100 cookies. Oh, the mouse and cursors? The mouse and cursors are twice as efficient. I can't even speak today. Let's get 100 so we can buy that. It says up here, your cookies are popular in the neighborhood. That's good. I get money because people will buy them. They will buy them for like $20 per cookie. Now when you click it, you get 2. I get 2 when I click it now. Oh, this is insane. Wow, my cookies are going up so fast. They're going up so fast. Oh look, there's milk at the bottom. And there's cookies falling down. Maybe eventually when I get lots of cookies, they'll fall down to milk. Because cookies and milk are great. Grandma? Grandma, what are you doing here? Okay, let's buy Grandma. Grandma, make cookies. She makes 2 cookies. Each Grandma makes 1 cookie per second. Now I get 3 cookies per second. Let's buy another one. Let's get up to 10 per second. La da 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 da. Whoa, look at it go up. Now 5 per second. We need 153. 153 for 1 Grandma. Oh well, let's do it. And it's Grandma number 4. Now we get 6 per second. And we need to grab Grandma number... takes so long to get stuff now. Grandma number 5. You need for this one. The mouse. Okay, it's 500. I'll get 3. I'll get 250. Then I'll go on a shopping spree for cursors. Okay, now buy cursors. Oh, just wait for it to get to 93 by itself. Yep, by 7.8. Oh, come on, we need to get to 8 cookies. 107. Yep, 123. Oh, look how fast that is going! Look how fast that is going up! There's no... It's going up so fast. Okay, 8.2 per second. Let's get to 9. Yes. 8.4 per second. Hey, it's cookie here. Click. Lucky plus 23 cookies. I got 23 cookies. Get rid of that. 162. 8.6 per second. What is it? Okay, I will just speak louder now because there's something in the background. Oh yes. Oh, one more until we got 9 cookies per second. Come on, 200, 214, 214. Come on, go, go, go. Yes, 9 per second. Wow, it goes up fast. Okay, click. We need 202 now. Man, things are starting to get expensive. What, a farm? Grows cookie plants from cookie seeds. Interesting. 10 per second! Yes! Yes, 10 per second! This is the life. This is the life it is. Oh my goodness. Let's try and get 500 so we can get that pink finger. The pink hand. The pink cursor. I'm not sure I want a pink cursor. Why is there a trailer for the movie Sing going on in the background? What? Probably just my brother. Now 14 per... There's no way. 14 per second, and when you click it gives 4. Oh my god. I need to get 1,000. Go. 750, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000. And now 20 per second. Look at that number going up. Look how fast that number's going up. That is insane. Look at how fast it's going up now. That is insane. I need to buy a cookie farm. That is like my next priority. Buy a cookie farm. Buy a cookie farm. 800. Go. Oh look, the milk. There's more milk. There's more milk now. Oh wait. Yeah, I got 1,000. 1,100 actually. Yeah, buy a farm. Now 28. Wait. 8 cookies per second? No way. There is no way. There is no freaking way. How? That is impossible. How? I want another one. I'm gonna have to put, this is pretty plain for me, but you guys are listening to some nice music. But I don't get to listen to it because I have to edit it in. Sad. Oh my goodness, what is this in the background? It's getting in 36 per second. Look how fast it goes up now. What? That's crazy. Is there any music in the options? Volume. 100%. Wobbly cookie. What's wobbly cookie? What? Wobbly cookie. Okay. Icon crates. What does this do? Icon crates? What does icon crates do? That's... What? There's so many achievements. No way. Anyway, let's get back. Oh, we have a lot. Okay, let's try and make a whole circle of cursors. Whoa, 38.8 per second. That, my friends, is insane. Wait, what? Genetically modified cookie chocolate controversy strikes cookie farmers? No way. No way. No way. Okay, anyway, I'm going to need some more grandma. We're going to need some more grandmas here. You bring a truckload of grandmas now. Okay. Oh, almost 50. Maybe I'll end this video when we get 60 cookies per second. Which is easy with the help of grandma. 49. Close to 50. Oh. Yes! 51. Oh, 50. Oh, yeah, 51.2. Look! The cookies are going to the milk! Yes! Yes, if I had a face cam, you would see me dabbing right now. Oh, sad I don't have a face cam. Or a good pair of headphones, but that won't stop me. I will record anyway. No. Oh, I'm so close. You know, I'm using a grandma. 61.2 cookies per second. We can just watch it climb. Let's watch it climb until 1,000. Actually, I want to change my name to... My name is obviously... the Derpy Gamer. Obviously. Confirm. Yeah. Oh, I got an achievement for that. Yes, the Derpy Gamer's Bakery. Yeah, I have my own bakery now. Okay, so... yeah, I'll have to see you guys in the next video. This was the Derpy Gamer. Even though I'm not called the Derpy Gamer. Yeah, this is the Derpy Gamer's Bakery. See you guys next time. Bye.